Hello mga brothers, my name is JR. This is Brother Phones TV. For today's video, pag-uusapan natin sa mga latest model natin sa Oppo, which is the Oppo Reno 11F 5G. So bago umpisa ng video ito, shoutout nga pala sa ating kasamahang promoter ng Realme, si Tom Tagoba ng PC Express. Shoutout din sa aking classmate na si John Michael Bores. Shoutout sa iyo, mate. Then shoutout din kay Sir Jel Osenya ng PLDT SMC Tilipa. Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa YouTube channel ko, please subscribe my YouTube channel, Brother Phones TV. Please like, comment, and don't forget to click the notification bell for more videos. Thank you. Okay, we talk about the design and builds ni Oppo Reno 11F 5G. 7.54mm thickness and 177 grams weight. Then IP65 and water dust resistance. Here comes the Oppo Reno 11 5G IP rating. Say goodbye to worries about damage and hello to peace of mind. IP65 rating. Total dust resistance and protection against the powerful jets from any direction. Sabi nga nila, don't settle for less with the IP54 and IP53 with the Oppo Reno 11F 5G. It's the ultimate choice for durability and performance. Comes naman sa display ni Oppo Reno 11F 5G, naka 6.7 AMOLED display, 1 billion color, 120 refresh rate, HDR10 Plus support, up to 1100 nits peak brightness. Dating naman sa display ni Oppo Reno 11F 5G, naka-Asahi glass, 6.7 inch, then 1080p. Talk naman tayo pagdating sa performance ni Oppo Reno 11F 5G. So si Oppo Reno 11 5G po is naka-Android 14, so no need na natin siyang i-upgrade. So updated na siya sa Android 14. When it comes to camera naman mga ka-brother, si Oppo Reno 11F 5G is naka 64 megapixel yung main camera, 8 megapixel po yung ating ultra-wide camera, then meron na rin po siyang 2 megapixel macro camera, then yung selfie camera naman natin is naka 32 megapixel selfie camera. Mini mid-range smartphone offer a triple camera system. But what separate the Reno 11F 5G from the competition is Oppo image processing. On the rear, there are 64 megapixel primary camera which allow you to capture more detailed photos. It is the enhanced using the Oppo image processing algorithm to boost clarity, color, and sharpness. Besides that, the Oppo Reno 11 5G also features an 8 megapixel ultra-wide angle lens and 2 megapixel macro camera to give you a different shooting modes. To capture more of the scene in a single shot, switch the ultra-wide angle lens, and for the capturing small subject up to close, choose naman sa macro camera. When it comes naman sa battery ni Oppo Reno 11F 5G is naka 5000 mAh battery. So naglalas yan up to 2-day use sa casual use. Kung intense gamer ka naman, so naglalas siya 1-day use lang. When it comes to charging ni Oppo Reno 11F 5G, we have the 67 wattage Superbook. Slow charging is not a problem with our Reno 11F 5G because in just about 48 minutes, you have a fully charged your phone. And because of our very own Superbook technology, it's super safe and super fast. Naman sa processor ni Oppo Reno 11F 5G is naka MediaTek Dimensity 7050, 6nm processor. So kung naman sa ating RAM and ROM ni Oppo Reno 11F 5G is naka 8GB RAM. So meron po tayong additional 8GB RAM expansion, so total of 16GB RAM. When it comes naman sa kanyang memory, ito po is naka 256GB. So kaya nyo maglaman hanggang 64,000 photos or videos na pwede natin ilagay sa phone natin na hindi agad-agad napupuno yung ating storage. One of the features of Oppo Reno 11 5G, if you forgot your buds at home, no worries because with its the system features the clear voice. It's filtered the noisy environment so user can talk and communicate easily during call, even in handset mode. It has also the best signal optimization in this price range. It has a link boost that intelligently senses user holding posture and also improve the signal recovery and transmission. Brother, when it comes naman sa color ng Oppo Reno 11F 5G, we have a 3 color. We have the ocean blue, palm green, and coral purple. Blue color, which is also the brand color of this model, inspiration by the rippling waves of the ocean. and also the features of Oppo magnetic particle design, giving the waves of shimmering effect when shifted under the light. When it comes the price ni Oppo Reno 11 F5G is for only 18,999. Thank you.